it's going to tell you what to add first. So in this kit, which is for a gluten-free dairy-free cassata, we're going to add 1, 2, and 3, and I'll show you the containers. Everything should be at room temperature, at least 20 minutes before you even make your cake. I would have everything at room temperature, and then I would have your oven preheated for at least 20 minutes before you even add anything to your oven. Make sure the pans are greased and everything is ready to go. So here's your bowl. So here's your first. So you have one, number one, and it's on your instructions. So you have, and then you're going to add 2 because that's what the instructions say to do. So we're adding number 2. And everything we're using is in your house. Nothing is commercial. And here's 3. So the directions say to make the cake, add container 1, 2, and 3, which we did. Then it says to add 1 cup of water that is room temperature. Here we go. Then it says to add 1/3 of oil of your choice. We're using, I think, coconut oil. And then it says to add 3 eggs, room temperature, and we went ahead and whisked them a little bit. So you're going to add the eggs. Then what you're going to do is you're going to beat everything we're using. Like I said, nothing is commercial. Everything is what you're going to have in your house. So you're going to mix this. Now, if you notice that it's a little thick, because gluten-free, dairy-free can end up like that, or gluten-free, it depends on the weather, you can add a little bit of water. If you think that it needs water, add water. I would not overmix it until you see that the lumps are out. It's going to be a little bit thicker than a regular cake, but that's just the consistency of gluten-free, dairy-free. It's always thicker. There you go. That's all you need to do. Now you're going to see the consistency. It's a little bit thicker. Even if you add water, it's still going to be thick. So I'm going to add just a drop more of water of it. I'm putting it in like the middle of the oven. Okay, so you're going to take our icing and you're going to put it around. Okay, so you're going to take our icing and you're going to put it around. When you're done, all of it should be the same thickness, because you don't want to have some of it thicker. This is just a rough coat. This is what they call the crumb coat. When you're done, all of it should be the same thickness, because you don't want to have some of it thicker. This is just a rough coat. This is what they call the crumb coat. There. And it's all even. Then you're going to take your other cake that's in the
Alright, cut.
You gotta cut this out, right?